What's up, everybody? Your boy Shadow Racer here. Got a package in the mail today. Wanted to share with you guys. Unboxing it. Alright, here we go. Here's the box. Goodies here. Camera Hobbies. Here's the extended body mounts for the regular slash two-wheel drive. Thumb washers. Couple of drift tires. Drive shaft for the E-Max. Then down here, got some rims and the new Interco Super Swampers for the short course. I'm gonna stick those on my slash 4x4. But this is what we're here to see. The Associated 4.2 RS. Sorry guys. So let's open it up, see what we got. Tools and stuff, I guess. And here we go. What do we got here? Cut these off. Here's the receiver. I don't know what that was on there. I guess dust or something. Pretty cool radio, shark fin looking. And then here it is. Here it is, guys. The buggy. Alright. Nice shocks, nice and soft. Let's check out the buggy. Alright. Antenna, we hold it down. ESC, servo. Sealed. And this comes off. This one, there's the motor. There you have it. So, look forward to seeing some of this at the track soon. Alright? Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.